This review is of Nature's Nectar, sparkling fresh cranberry ginger cider, no artificial flavors, contains 100% juice, and I don't think there's anything else. Pasteurized. Here are the nutrition facts. So you can see a bottle has 130 calories, no fat, cholesterol, sodium, or protein, 32 grams of carbs, of which 31 are sugars, 25 of those are added. Here are the ingredients. It says sugar, so I assume that would be table sugar rather than high fructose corn syrup, but it doesn't say syrup, so that's a good sign. All right. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to torment you with pictures of the brownies that we made. My son and I did it together. It's kind of nice to do it together as, father and son. Let's see. It's not a twist off, so. The last one I opened did the exact same thing, and I don't know why, because I didn't shake them up or anything. Quite tart. And interestingly, I'm getting that puckery feeling in my mouth from the tartness of it. Interestingly, the foam that came out is not as sweet as the soda is. I'm not sure why that works that way. I think it's definitely more cranberry than ginger, because I really am struggling to appreciate the ginger. And I normally love a ginger beer. I think if you're looking for a low amount of ginger, basically, and with the cranberry being dominant, that you're going to enjoy this. It's okay. I guess I'll give it a 6.5. And this is, despite all the sugar in here, it tastes pretty tart. So if you're looking for a tart drink, this will be a good choice for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.